All right, today is the day we dig that dash out of the pile. Hopefully we get it down from there. Looking at thousands of things on myself, killing myself. Opens. Survived well. Hopefully there's not still mice living in it. I don't think there was any mice living in there. Hopefully I can remember how to put the thing back together. I'm gonna get that other depth tip there first, I think, too. There was a little crack in this dash. Patch that up a little. There's a couple little cracks in this dash, but we're going to clean it up, dye it black, and stick her in the car. Got the wiring harness cleaned up. Got to steal a bunch of the fuse holders. Crudely painted some stuff on there so I can tell what's what. Can't really see that under the dash, so that's mostly just so I can know what it is. And put this back together and in the car too. And let's see what happens. Got the G.T.O dashboard stripped out and cleaned up. Got a few cracks here. If it was a complete restoration, you'd probably want to replace the dash pad, but I went and got some vinyl and leather repair. Used it before, a long time ago. Worked pretty good. We're going to try it out, see how that works, and hopefully it works out good. Gonna re-dye this black and see how that goes. See how it goes. Alright, we got several of the patches done. I don't think they're going to be totally hidden, but wiped the dashboard down with some alcohol. Gonna hit it with some SEM Color Coat. It's made for vinyl dashes, plastic parts. And see how this works out. Well, it hasn't dried yet, but looks pretty good except for these repairs that I did on the top. Those stick out like a sore thumb. I'm gonna have to try and figure out how to do that a little better. But we'll see. The top of this dash is so dried out. I'm probably gonna have to go buy another can because it keeps soaking it up. And it looks really dry. And of course, my repair spots are sticking out. So I still wasn't happy with the patch. I probably won't ever be happy. What I'm trying to do is lightly sanded it. Then I sprayed some of the color coat into a paint cap. Just trying to dab it on with the brush and kind of try and blend in the weird little circle things that were in there. Like I said, it's never going to match exactly. At least not with my skills. I am a untrained professional, so feel free to try this at home if you want. See what kind of results you get. Get the gauge cluster cleaned up, plastic polished. Make sure everything actually works. Editing a video. Painting some pieces. Got the bezel cleaned up. Painted that. Pretty good. Dash sitting in place. It's dark in there. Probably can't even see it. Gotta pop it back out so I can put all the wiring and other ductwork and stuff in there, but it's in there. I did one half of this, and you can see the difference. Nothing too fancy. Just a little McGuire's Plastex polish. I don't even do anything really fancy. Let's put it on a paper towel. I'll actually polish it a little more with something a little softer, but this works good for the first polish. Not done yet, but I think you can see that looks a lot better just with a quick little polish. Got the cluster all cleaned up. Looks pretty good. Got the dash all painted and dyed, so I'm going to start putting this back together now. Controllers cleaned up. Start putting things back in there.